Yo, stock analysis and Unity software stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this one minute video till the end to find out. Now, Unity software stock analysis for me. Right, generally just I'm looking to double down. Not in a way where I'm just gonna buy randomly, but even moving back here, you can see that I've had previous receipts with U stock. And if you want to stay tuned with this and want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month, sure, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights. That's free. But how I'm looking for this, I mean, yeah, my color was so on point. It cleared the highs out. And now it's back into the freaking demand zone. So I'm here to just change that and hopefully get involved as long as it makes sense. That means that if I do see the shift here, you bet I'm buying. Very, very simple. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for rules, of course. And if they don't get met, I'm not buying. So if you want to see you in the next one, goodbye and enjoy. Stay tuned and subscribe. Why not? Like the video.